Hi, I'm Rajiv. I'm part of Antler India, the world's fastest growing VC. At Antler, we work with exceptional founders building phenomenal companies impacting millions of lives. We've been interacting with hundreds of college students over the last year as part of Antler India, and this is what we have learned. Number one, you have a huge challenge in access to capital. Number two, you have a lot of pressure from peers, from parents in deciding what you will do next. And three, you lack the guidance that's required to actually be building great companies for the future. And I have some very exciting news for college students across India. We are building India's largest platform for students who want to become phenomenal founders and build great companies, the Antler India Fellowship.
The Antler India Fellowship gives you a grant of $20,000 or 15 lakh rupees to build your own startup. This is equity free. We also provide space for you to experiment, make mistakes, and grow as you build your startup. Along with the grant, we provide for one-on-one personalized mentorship from top founders in India across user research, product, engineering, marketing, and hiring. That apart, we also have a solid peer community to lean on during and after the program.
The reason we are doing this is we want to promote entrepreneurship as a legitimate career path right after you graduate. In several nations, the percentage of student founders building massive companies is a much higher percentage compared to India, and we want to fundamentally change this in the coming decade. We want to not just enable, but we also want to fund, co-create, and partner with all these phenomenal student founders that are there in India throughout their entire journey. Over the next decade, we want to create thousands of student founders building in spaces that affect all of us. Spaces like climate change, blockchain, metaverse, unlocking human potential, and many more. You know what? When I was in college a couple of decades back and I was trying to build a social product, I so wish a platform like Antler would have existed around my time. There is no better time to start up. There is no better program or grant in India to help you do so right in college. Are you ready for the adventure of your lifetime?
And if the answer to that is a yes, go to our website and apply for the Antler India Fellowship right away. Send us your best ideas and let's build awesome things together.